Hello everyone, this is a very quick tutorial into simple animation using PowerPoint, and I would like to show you one sample slide that I have created. Let us get into the process of making this. Now we'll take one sample slide, an empty slide. Please ignore the background noise. My PowerPoint version is 2013, and before going into the making of the video, let me tell you, whatever you want to do, you'll have to decide about the concept first, the characters and the objects that you need, and you can download the background pictures, GIF files and the images before creating the slides. So let me just, so I can insert the background by right clicking, format background. I can go to picture, then I can insert file, and let me select my file from here. Happy scenery I've inserted, and then I want to place, I'll go to insert pictures. All these I had downloaded prior. I want the bird and the elephant and the tree. Yeah, you can see these are the images. When you're searching for images, you can search for transparent images. In case you don't get transparent images, I'll tell you how to make them transparent. So here is my elephant, and I want my elephant to come from outside into the screen, so I am placing the elephant outside. Then my bird is again a GIF file, and I want 2, so I am copying it and pasting it again, so I have 2 here. And then my tree, I had 2 trees in my sample slide, and this is not transparent picture, so I can select the picture and go to format tab and take the color option, and then take set transparent color and click on the area where you want to make it transparent, and here is it. So I want one tree to be placed here. I want another tree, so I will create one more. So any picture you want for your concept, you can download it from Google. You can search for transparent pictures. You can search for any picture there in Google and you'll get it, even GIF files. So I place my tree there. Then I had one monkey, which had it at the background. My monkey is transparent, it's a GIF file, so I don't want to add anything else there. Then I want, now this is all is my scenario. I just have to add animation and timing to it. Now I want both my birds to follow the same motion path, so I am selecting both of them, and let me group them. I'll go to format. After selecting them, I'll go to format, I'll go to group and select the group option. Now I can give a path to them, a motion path. I can go to animation, and you can see here there are different effects for the entrance, how you want your objects to enter, then emphasis on the objects and exit of the objects, and then the motion path. So I want a custom motion path for my birds, so I can just select that and drag the path that I want my birds to take, and that's it. This is how my birds are going to fly, and just make them outside. And let me set the timing. The birds are flying very fast, so let me set the timing. So I have to click on the birds, go to animation pane, and I'll set the timing. The start is on mouse click. When I click my mouse or press the down button arrow, down key, and I can set the timing. Let me set it to 8 seconds. And my elephant, again the same thing I'll do. There are many options for animation. You can select any one. I want my elephant to follow a straight path, so you can see here, you can see this red thing, and you can click and drag it across your screen, because I want my elephant to enter from outside and leave the screen also. So this is how it is, and I can set the timing also, otherwise the elephant will move very fast. Now I want the elephant also to enter along with the birds, so I will click the option start with previous, and then I'll give the timing as 12 seconds, like a bit slow. And that's how I've done the animation. If you want to add animation, like more than one animation for one object, you can select the option add animation. You can see here, add animation. To the same object you can add multiple animation. You can group the objects using the group option that I have already mentioned. It's in format, and I've also mentioned how to make any GIF file or an image transparent, and this is how it is done. And you can record your narration slide by slide by going into slideshow, taking the record slideshow, and in that the second option is from current slide. So it is asking you if you want to record from current slide. So if I give start recording, then it will take the recording from the current slide, and you can see this small box kind of thing here which tells you that your narration is being recorded, and you can close this after finishing your recording. So after that you can see a small speaker like symbol will come on your slide showing that your narration has been recorded. So after recording all your narration, you can go to file and give a save as, and wherever you want to, you can select the path where you want to save, and instead of PPT save as type, you can select MP4 and you can save it. And again you can have multiple objects, like you can create your own scenario by selecting different objects here. You can make the images transparent also. Thank you so much for listening to me. In my next video I'll show you how to insert background music to your videos. Thank you. Thanks a lot.